Yes,
Salome,
thank you.
I
do correct Gimoro. And Wabire Studio Kamaru Achadira. We are not speaking about propaganda. One of the tenets my US stands for is human rights. And
ratiro,
Mar Oganda. And it is a democratic state, and it respects the right for protesting. Even in the US, they protest every day. There is protest. And they nganyo for different things. Koradwa penjobeti. Nganyo ni. Is it in our constitution? It is there. Is it enshrined? It is there. Adwa penjobeti. Kanga toma police, chief police inspector. Wachoni ji, jonyanza, nogolo jomotho. In badika kibete studio ka. Inyalo kao ngato emochuari mibi ike dalani. Those people who are showing us the bullet wounds. Gini think jo Kenya, mabeti adera nyalo bet kanyu wachone protest. Geotho, property, loss of property. Whose property and who made them lose the property? Who made them lose the property? Nikech, one of the things, if the police did not shoot at the protesters, there will be no loss of life and loss of property. Why did we have a state where a president, a deputy president says there's no nganyo in this country? Why? What do we have the Constitution of 2010 for? Angomi wangi Constitution. To amor ka beti adera en mama mamiyo. Mobet kacha manyalo wacho gidoge mapingi malo. Yes, there was loss of life. As if it is fun. As if it is a light walk in the path. It's not. Because you have not lost a son or a child. Korogini. No. Let me bring it. Wait. Betty, when I was speaking, you are quiet. When I was speaking, you are quiet. Let me ask.
Right now also comes with responsibility.
Let me tell you. Yes, there is protest. Watch Mar Meg. Let's go back to the real thing.
Bet ne wacho ne Meg ne temo loso kalware nitiere loss of life kada ji no wito ngima gi koro no temo nyiso ji ni yero no tim mondo koro ji owere gi mana.
Yes, that is the context.
Let me bring it to you. Let me bring that to you. Very right. She's the American ambassador.
Yes.
Why does she not call William Luttrell, give the opposition leaders, and tell them, my friends, this is not right. You guys, kaka beti wachono okel manifesto. These are your manifestos. Why don't you sit like a gentleman and sit with us as the diplomatic people and sit on the table and say, okay, this is what is disturbing Kenya. And Kenya was already on that path. That's why Obasanjo came in this country. It was the diplomatic, the foreign nations that thought that now we need to talk. Because when that loss of life happens, it affects everybody.
Yes.
Because what gima mia late, nyaka mi late. Gikako kete duka, mi late to mia late. To miyojo Kenya duto late. Nikech gima late na litni. Koro gima duaro kwayo Megan.
Yes.
And I can even talk to her and tell her this. That was a slip of the tongue.
Okay.
You are a diplomat and you know how the diplomatics go, because it was already a sensitive, emotive issue. Mati more Kenya. Ilungo jogi, because you have a right to call them and talk to them. The next thing is development partners. We have a lot of development partners. Even non-actors who are development partners. But if you are a development partner, ni ikonya epinka, okinyaki thiana. Let's have mutual respect.
Okay.
Don't you enjoy? To kamangato keto, we have to own it and say, this was not the proper ground. Meg Whitman can call the opposition leader. Meg Whitman can call Ruto, and they can have a talk. Okay. And the diplomatic cause have already done. The foreign nations have done. Because Obasanjo cannot come from Nigeria walking without somebody saying, Okay. Kenya. And a lot of nations have interest in Kenya. Kenya is a developing country, and we are moving at a very fast rate.
Right.
And that I respect.
And gipenjo mopogore gi marug met with Meg Whitman.